Hello friends, I am Anil Kore. Welcome to my channel. Maths tips for you. In this video, we are going to see the solution of some typical examples on continuity. So let's begin. Example: identify discontinuities for the following functions as either a jump or a removable discontinuity on R set of real number. The example number 1 is f of x is x square minus 3x minus 18 upon x minus 3. The example number 2, g of x is equal to 3x plus 1 for x is less than 3. It is equal to 2 minus 3x for x is greater than equal to 3. Example number 3, h of x is equal to 13 minus x square for x is less than 5. 13 minus 5x for x is greater than 5. So we have to identify the discontinuities. It is jump or removable. There are 3 examples. We solve one by one. The first is f of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 18 upon x minus 3. This is the function of the type f of x divided by g of x, means it is a rational function. Rational function is continuous except at the point whose denominator is 0. Denominator becomes 0 when x is equal to 6. So this function is not defined at x is equal to 6. Therefore, given function is not defined at x is equal to 6. Therefore, f of 6 is not defined. Now we shall see whether its limit exists or not. Therefore, limit x tends to 6 at the point x is equal to 6. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 6 x square minus 3x minus 18 upon x minus 6. We want to find the factorization of x square. It is a quadratic. X square minus 3x minus 18. We know that the factors of 18 is 3 into 6. So x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 18. That is, we can take x common, x minus 6. Here we can take 3 common. X 18 means 3 into 6. So it is remain 6. X minus 6 common. X minus 6 taken common. It is remain x plus 3. So factor of this is r x tends to 6 x minus 6 into x plus 3 upon x minus 6. Since x is tending to 6, x is not equal to 6, x minus 6 is not equal to 0. So cancelling the factor x minus 6 is equal to limit x tends to 6 x plus 3. Putting x is equal to 6, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, limit x tends to 6, f of x is equal to 9. Therefore, limit exists. Therefore, limit of f of x at x is equal to 6 exists. But f of 6 is not defined. Therefore, the given function has removable discontinuity. Therefore, f has removable discontinuity at x is equal to 6. So, one example is over. F of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 18 upon x minus 6 has removable discontinuity at x is equal to 6. Now second, it is given number 2, g of x is equal to 3x plus 1 for x is less than 3, and it is equal to 2 minus 3x for x is greater than equal to 3. Therefore, the function is polynomial which is defined on two different intervals. The intervals are, one is minus infinity 3 and second interval is closer 3 plus infinity. Given function is continuous, polynomial, and so polynomial function is always continuous over their respective domain. It is continuous on R also. So we test the continuity at x is equal to 3. Therefore, we take left hand limit x tending to 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3. The left hand definition is x is less than 3 means 3x plus 1. So it is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And limit x tends to 3 positive f of x, that is from right. The definition for x is greater than 3, greater than equal to 3 is 2 minus 3x is equal to, putting x is equal to 3, 2 minus 3 into 3 is equal to 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7. Therefore, right hand limit x is tending to 3 plus f of x is equal to minus 7. Now we observe that the left hand limit is 10 and right hand limit is minus 7. Therefore, left hand limit x is tending to 3 minus f of x is not equal to limit from right. Therefore, limit does not exist. Therefore, limit x tends to 3 f of x does not exist. It means that the function has jumped discontinuity or removable discontinuity. Therefore, function f of x has jump or irremovable discontinuity at x is equal to 3. Now the third example, h of x is equal to 13 minus x square for x is less than 5. It is equal to 13 minus 5x for x is greater than 5. Number third, h of x is equal to 13 minus x square for x is less than 5. It is equal to 13 minus 5x for x is greater than 5. Solution. Since the function is defined by a polynomial for the two different intervals, first interval is minus infinity 5 open interval, second interval is 5 plus infinity, but the function is not defined at x is exact at x is equal to 5. Therefore, f of 5 is not defined. So we consider the continuity of the function at x is equal to 5. First we consider left hand limit and then right hand limit. So left hand limit, x is tending to 5 minus h of x is equal to limit x tends to 5. The h of x to the left, that is x is less than 5. The definition is 13 minus x square. Putting x is equal to 5, we get 13 minus 5 square. It is equal to 13 minus 25. It is equal to minus 12. Now right hand limit x tends to 5 plus h of x is equal to, the right hand definition is 13 minus 5x for x is greater than 5. So it is 13 minus 5x. Putting x is equal to 5. 13 minus 5 into 5. It is 13 minus 25. It is equal to minus 12. Therefore, left hand limit minus 12. Right hand limit is also minus 12. Therefore, limit x tends to minus 5 h of x is equal to limit h tends to 5 plus h of x. Therefore, but that is limit x tends to 5 h of x exists, but f of 5 is not defined. Therefore, the function has removable discontinuity. The function h of x has removable discontinuity at x is equal to 5. So we have seen three types of example. The first is rational function, which is discontinuous at x is equal to 6, but it is a removable discontinuity. So first is removable. Second type, the continuity, the function is discontinuous, that is the left hand limit and right hand limit are not equal, therefore it is irremovable or jump discontinuity. Third has removable discontinuity. In this way we have seen three types of function. We identified the discontinuity for the three functions. That's all. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share to your friends, classmates and students. Thank you for watching my video.